Hello, hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com. And today I'm going to be sharing with you the brand new arrival and release from Indigo Blue, all the way from over the pond with our friends over in England. And guess what? We've got some 2025 Halloween releases along with some previous ones that are now back in stock. Now, we've got a full shipment, so this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just going to focus on some of the Halloween stuff in this short video. However, know that we have a full stock available in store and including new Christmas items and so much more. But let's look at what's on the table because, as I promised, we want to focus on Halloween. I've got stamps, I've got new paper pads, I've got Woodology, I've got stencils, and some awesome 3D projects. Let's start over here because this was super fun. So Kay over at Indigo Blue was live, and you can go watch that video. It's phenomenal. She actually made this live while we were all watching. And then she was awesome enough to send it to me, all autographed and signed. So thank you so much, Kay, for that. Beautiful project. It's got great details, and you can see how she did this really quickly, too, like incredibly quick while she was live. It's got some awesome bats, and then of course it's got Grandma and Grandpa, which we're going to look at here soon, and some of that beautiful paper as well. It's got the little hanging piece, which is right here. And you can see the dimension. It's just lovely. Lots of great details. This is the frame pack. Now, of course, in this case, we're using it for Halloween. However, this could be any theme. It could be any occasion. It could be any color. So you can do it gilded or gold. Or it comes with a full pack of 3. So you get your back piece as well as your gorgeous frame. Look at the wood, the details on that, just gorgeous. And it comes, of course, with a little hanging piece, but I love the oval as well because you could use that for so many things. It comes with a set of 3, which is really great because you could have, maybe different ones in different colors or different images. Also, another beauty that just arrived is this one. And honestly, the pictures did not do it justice. I didn't realize just how substantial this is. This is the Terrible Tombstone kit. And I got to show you, is put together, it's even better. Look at this. Isn't that just the neatest? And it does stand. So you can stand it up on your desk or fireplace mantle or bookcase to display it for Halloween. But look at the size of this thing when it's assembled. I mean, it is so big. It really is gorgeous. Lots of great details. It's 5 inches by almost 9. Love the texture on this as well as the layering, the shading. I love the hands and the grass, the details. Again, all of this is included. So you've got your hands, your grass, you've got even a crown here. So that would be kind of fun on the skull or even at the top. The bones, skull and bones, your base, some additional pieces here such as the wings, and then the rest in peace, RIP, and all the things that you see here, including that little elaborate, really cool piece. Where is it? Right here. That one's really neat. This one right here. So pretty. But again, super fun to go ahead and decorate. Now, in addition to that, let's see how quickly we run out of room. We sure do with all these amazing projects. We've also got a stencil. It's a 6x6 as well as the Woodology pieces. So again, to give things that awesome texture, such as you see the bats right here, Those are from here. And I have more sample photos in the online store. So if you go to the online store and you click on these, you'll see some other ways of using them as well. Of course, a stencil is great for sprays or stencil butters or, any kind of medium that has volume to it, or just simply maybe dabbing some paint, sponging it to give it a little texture. So many fun ways to use those as well. Now, in addition to those, we also have couple of new pads and then another one that just came back in stock. So this is the brand new All Hollows checks and stripes. It's got 32 abstract grungy prints, which is beautiful. It is an 8 by 8. Now, in the front and in the back cover, you get ATC or artist trading card size minis, which is awesome. So here in the front as well as on the back. But let's do a quick flip through so you can see how beautifully grungy this is. All the great textures and layering on there as well. Super vibrant colors. Such a great print. I love the fact that it is matte as well. Don't forget that they are stapled, so easy enough for you to remove those staples and even use them in signatures if you want to do that. Because even if you're doing something smaller, you can turn these into pockets, correct? Or even cut that and use it someplace else as well. You can also use them as tip-ins or flip-outs, but just a bunch of great, great colors. I love the purple, teal, burgundy colors. Beautiful. Look at that green. So cool. And then there's your ATCs again. Okay, that is the new All Hollows. There is also a 24 page, and this one's called the Creepsville Gazette. Uh, Really fun. Check this one out. Lots of great layering. Again, you've got your ATCs front page and back, but look at all these great layers. And I love the fact that it's a, newspaper kind of a gazette. But you've got some jack-o'-lanterns, some of that grunge, some splatters, lots of great text. I think this one might be the one that KU's back here, I believe. It looks like it. But any of these would look amazing. Aren't these great? Great for collaging, great for journal making, great for card making, for layouts, for clusters, for pockets, layering ephemera, paper clips, and belly bands. All of it. Or just covering your favorite projects. Like it was used to cover the back of this. You could do boxes. You could cover anything, right? Look at that. How fun. Okay, so that is the Creepsville Gazette. Now this one is not new. And it's not necessarily Halloween at all. It's beautiful just at any time. But I thought it kind of went with this too. It's called Into the Woods. And I actually have a project in mind for this because I was looking for the perfect background. So actually, I might end up turning this into a class or craft along. So I might probably have to contact, and yeah, definitely. I'll have to order some more. But I do have some in store for those of you who want this right now. But I needed a background, and this is going to work perfect. So as you can see, this first one right here could be Halloween, right? I mean, it's just a beautiful scenery, but it could be if we added some spider webs or something. Great for fairies and forest and gnomes, Lord of the Rings kind of a vibe, right? Beautiful. All those great, like Black Forest, legendary kind of sceneries here. I love this one with the white. That one would be awesome. But look at this tunnel one. Isn't that beautiful? So many beautiful pages. So this one is back in stock now, and I will be getting some more. And again, in the back, you also get, just like the other ones, front and back, you're going to get your free ATCs as well, which is lovely. That leads us to this awesome collection. Let me put this one off to the side. This collection is really neat because we have the whole family. So we have Grandpa, right, and Granny, and they've got their great quotes, beautiful size stamps, by the way, quality stamps, You can see the red rubber stamps, amazing. Great detail. They also have sentiments and funny quotes in them. So super fun to craft along with. But you've got Spooky, Granny, and Grandpa. Then in addition to that, you've got Spooky Mom and Dad. He reminds me of what's that movie with Johnny Depp? I can't think of it, but he reminds me of that. So super beautiful stamps once again, great size, great imagery, lots of great details. I mean, look at her hair, isn't that gorgeous? You can see these even more up close, also in the online store. Then I love the kids. So you've got the boy and the girl, and look at them. They're just awesome. I love him. Look at that hair. They're kind of cool, right? Kind of edgy, but yet spooky, but beautiful. I love even look at that. Oh, the details, just gorgeous. And then we've got the pumpkin monster, and he's great too. Beautiful stamp set. Oh, I wish I could show you all the details that are in there. Maybe if you join us during our live sales, when we do lives, I can open up the packaging and show you more of those details because they are truly beautiful with all those little hair strands and, wisps and stuff like that. Just grass, super pretty. So the whole collection is here. Now these two are not new, but I have them back in stock because we just ran out of this one. Luckily, we got it back pretty quickly. And then this one, we had been out for a few weeks and now it's back in stock as well, just in time for Halloween. Of course, the awesome Edgar Allan Poe. And you've got the Raven as well as some great quotes. It is a large stamp set. And then we also have the Halloween dictionary, which is also super fun because you've got all this great Hallow and Halloween and that kind of thing on there. Great stamp for all of your mixed media and backgrounds. So again, this is the beautiful, oh, I forgot to show you some samples. Sorry. Here is a beautiful stamp with a girl, different colors, but oh, I love it. And I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, depending on how you angle it. She either has, peachy skin, but if you angle it, her skin turns like blue. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It goes from peach to blue, depending on how you angle her. So I love, love, love all of it. I mean, this is just amazing. And this is a really nice large card. Uh, but you also have the pumpkin, which I told you has great details. And hopefully now you can see the little wisps and stuff I was talking about. And like all the accents on her dress. But look at this gorgeousness right here, stamped and colored. Isn't that beautiful? And that is Pumpkin Monster. Again, he's not very scary, but he's definitely cool. So I hope you guys will check out the online store and enjoy all these great, amazing new goodies. Don't forget to also just check out our indigo blue section because we have tons more. Even if you're like, well, I don't know about Halloween, guess what? Check out all the other stuff because we have the most amazing stencils, stamps, paper pads, also Woodology inks. We've got all kinds of stuff from Indigo Blue. So go give it a look. Don't forget to leave a comment down below because you know what? As soon as we have enough comments, we will be doing a giveaway and you just might be the lucky winner of one of those giveaways. So leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me. Bye.